In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful, all peace and prayer be upon our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This is a new English lesson coming to you from Al Iman School by Mr. Ibrahim Mahmoud. In our lesson today, inshallah, we are going to revise the vocabulary of Unit 5. The vocabulary means the words. The vocabulary means the words that we study in the unit. So as you see here, this is a volcanic eruption, and this is a tidal wave. So let's start our lesson. Here we have got some words, so let's read them first and then explain their meaning. Here we have a fire brigade, a fire brigade, a fire brigade, fire brigade, fire brigade. And this is put out, put out, put out. Rescue, rescue, rescue. Flood, flood, flood. Earthquake, earthquake, earthquake. Volcanic eruption, volcanic eruption, volcanic eruption. Volcano, volcano, volcano. Hurricane, hurricane, hurricane. Tidal wave, tidal wave, tidal wave. Of course, these are natural disasters. Natural disasters. Natural disasters mean events that are dangerous, that happen in nature, that cause people to die. They are scary, they are frightening. Like, for example, the flood, like the volcano or the volcanic eruption, like the earthquake, the tidal wave, and the hurricane. So let's start from the beginning. Put out, it means to extinguish fire, to end fire, to end fire. So put out fire, to put out fire. I can say the fire brigade put out the fire. The fire brigade put out the fire. Here the man is rescuing the woman from the flood. The flood refers to the water that comes from the rain. The huge amounts of water that come from the rain are called flood. They are called flood when they cover the towns or the places. They are called flood. The earthquake happens when the earth moves or shakes violently. This is called an earthquake. It causes the buildings to collapse, or it destroys the buildings, the towns, and the cities. The earthquake is very short. It may take about 5 seconds or 10 seconds, but it is scary because it causes sometimes millions or thousands or hundreds of people to die. So this is an earthquake. The volcano is like a mountain, but it has an opening at the top, and sometimes it is active. If it is active, something happens, and this thing is called a volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption. The hurricane is a very strong wind, a very strong wind, a very strong wind, as we see here in the image. And the tidal wave, or a tsunami, as they sometimes call it, happens when there is an earthquake in the sea or the ocean, and the whole sea turns to a very big wave that comes to the shore and destroys the buildings and the cars and kills hundreds or thousands of people. This is a tidal wave. The difference between a tidal wave and a flood is the flood happens when it rains. When there is a lot of rain, and the water of the rain covers the areas. But the tidal wave happens when the sea turns to a very big wave coming to the shore. This is called a tidal wave. Now we have some questions. So let's make words here. What is a very large wave? A tidal wave. What is a very strong wind? Here we have the letters. Let's unscramble the letters to know the word. Yes, it's called hurricane. It's called hurricane. Number 3, a sudden movement of the Earth's surface. A sudden movement. A sudden movement, it means it moves suddenly. Suddenly, no one expects it. Of the Earth's surface. It's an earthquake. Number 4, a large amount of water covering a surface that is usually dry. A large amount of water covering a surface, covering an area that is usually dry. So this is called flood. Flood. Number 5, to save someone from danger. To save someone from danger. This is rescue. Number 6, a group of people who put out fires. This is called a fire brigade. Let's see the answers. So the answer of number 2, a very strong wind is a hurricane. A sudden movement of the Earth's surface is an earthquake. Number 3. A large amount of water covering a surface that is usually dry, flood. To save someone from danger is rescue. A group of people who put out fires is a fire brigade. So let's move to another question here. Read and fill in. We have volcano, erupted, caused, furniture, put out, and idea. Number 1, Mount Etna is Europe's most active volcano. This is a volcano in Europe, Mount Etna. Number 2, the snow has what many problems in the city. I want to say that the snow has made many problems in the city, but we don't have made here. So we need another word. Yes, it's caused, caused, caused. So the snow has caused many problems in the city. Number 3, I've got an let's go for a picnic. Let's go for a picnic. So I have got an idea. I have got an idea. Number 4, it took the fire brigade 3 hours to put out the fire. Put out the fire. Number 5, the volcano, what again 2 days ago? The volcano erupted. Erupted again. Erupted. Number 6, come to my house and see my new furniture. Furniture. Furniture like the bed, the sofa, the chair, the tables. These are called furniture. I have bought a new sofa and an armchair. So let's see the answers. Number 2, caused. The snow has caused many problems in the city. Number 3, I've got an idea. Idea. Let's go for a picnic. Number 4, it took the fire brigade 3 hours to put out the fire. Put out the fire. Number 5, the volcano erupted again 2 days ago. And number 6, come to my house and see my new furniture. So this is a revision, or this was a revision on Unit 5 vocabulary. I hope that it was interesting and useful for you. Until I meet you again, I wish you all good luck and goodbye.